What's up? So in today's video I'm gonna tell you how you can use this Zhiyun Weebill S. So the first thing that you have to do when you get yourself a gimbal is you release 3 switches. And then you attach the camera on the plate, screw it with a pin or a sand, and then I put it on the gimbal itself. You push this button right here to turn it on, so the camera is nice and steady. You go here where you have the dots like this, and then you go to motor, auto, and it's gonna calibrate your whole camera. It's gonna wiggle a bit, but don't worry. Then you go back and you check the advanced settings, speed and smooth, and then you dial those settings. Then you go back and you click save. Then you go to speed, control. I have tilt on 20, roll on 20 and pan on 20. And then the third step, you do it like this. You go like this, you go up and down, left and right, the tilt and the pan and now for the cinematics. Simple pan. The left side. The selfie stick. I don't know, a 360. Number one thing that you absolutely need to do, learn about it, mechanics and features, that's about it. Hit like, subscribe and all that important stuff, you know it.